Okay, I've got SPSS open here and I'll just show you how to get Excel data into it. Now I think I've got a slightly newer version of SPSS because I just downloaded it and it's just looking a tiny bit different. Hopefully there's no major changes. So with Excel you can just select all the data and cut and paste it in. You won't be able to cut and paste that first header row in unless that's changed. You could give it a go. So if you cut and paste in, you then need to go into the variable view and type in all your variable names and do your types, labels, etc. If you import the Excel spreadsheet, then SPSS usually does a fairly good job of working out what your data is, although you still may need to clean it up just a little bit. So to load it in directly, just go to File, Open, Data. Here where it says files of type SPSS, you need to change that to Excel, otherwise it won't give you the option to open them. And I'm just going to open the Titanic data. Open. Now it has the option here to read the variable names from the first row. Best when you're working with Excel spreadsheets, if you know you're going to import them into SPSS, just to keep that one row for headers, not to have 2 or 3 header rows. And press OK. And so this looks new where it's giving us the variable type with the variable name. I think I like it. Right, into variable view, just make sure you go through and check what it has imported them as, and you'll notice that it can't import the value labels because it's got no information about that. So for survived, you might want to type in that your O is now. I think it might be died. We'll see if that turns out to be wrong and 1 is survived. You can go back to the Titanic README sheet and find out what they are. So you'll still need to go through and clean it up and add those in, but it's a pretty good place to start and it certainly saves you a lot of time over typing them all in from scratch.